This is our first cricket, and we are going to feed it to the chameleons.
Okay, go ahead, put it in. Okay, we got a cricket in there.
Let's see what happens.
Who all do we have out here? Hold on. Introduce yourself. Who are you?
My name is Wyatt.
Look at the camera.
Hi, my name is Wyatt.
Okay. Who are you?
Victoria.
Okay.
I'm Aubrey.
Okay, who are you?
Sherman.
Hold on, what's your name again?
Sherman.
Okay, and who are you?
I'm Olivia.
Okay, now let's see what's going to happen with these crickets and chameleons.
This one still has a hint of green on it. I want to video clip that one. You guys still see the green on it? I think he's gonna get him.
Okay, we gotta let them settle in, y'all. Don't do that, Wyatt. That kind of makes them nervous.
Nobody messes with this nozzle either.
Yeah, nobody.
Yeah, because then they can...